Well, I like working the customer service and the cook. If it's, every day we need some work, like for the customers, I help the customers with the orders and some stuff.
My teachers helped me with a lot.
When the jobs rotate, we go to a different quarter because every Monday we shop at BJ's, and on Tuesdays we go to Marriott, Peter Harris, Price Chopper, Market 32, and the muffin crew make muffins.
I like to work with other people and friends.
Timesheet, daily grade, and journal. Because it's end of the day.